Most Venerable Swami Hariprasad Ji and other distinguished scholars, lovers of Bharatiya culture and Sanatan Dharma. It is a proud moment for me to be a part of this seminar, though through online mode due to ill health, on the theme Right Education is the Key to Peace, with the blessings of Swamiji. Education, as understood in the ageless Sanatan tradition, is a means to literacy in the beginning, as it enables us to have access to the treasure of knowledge enshrined in the Vedas and their successive literatures, Buddhism, Jainism, and other sacred texts. It results in generating knowledge of the history, culture, societal construction, etc., and above all, to the understanding of deeper meaning of Dharma. Education in Bharatiya system of life is not limited to textual knowledge only, but essentially to the practice upon the same in our day-to-day life. The popular definition of education is said to be Sa Vidyaya Vimuktaye. It removes illiteracy first, and if taken in proper way, it leads ultimately to liberation, moksha, from all sorts of ignorance, causing various bane and sorrows, mundane as well as supramundane. There has been tremendous progress in the field of education. Modern science and technology, including computer, internet, etc., have brought the human civilization to a revolutionary phase when we are scaling even the space. We have successfully overcome the pandemic of COVID 19 to a large extent. So is the case with various other diseases, revolution in transportation and communication. We are a happy lot to enjoy the materialistic and worldly achievements. But what about the suffering humanity? Why we have become so much individualistic? Why do we are not willing and caring for others? Bharat has never been devoid of such progresses. Aryabhatta, Varahamir, Nagarjun, Charak, Sushrut, Jivak, etc. are glaring examples who discovered many unknown facts about the nature, invented remedies and medicines to cure diseases, but the motto of well-being of the society always remained an essential part of education. Scientific temper of education, however, remains incomplete unless it moves with the objective of doing good to the society. Bharat has always believed in non-violence, friendliness, compassion, accommodativeness, peaceful coexistence, tolerance, democratic temper, to listen to others' views even if they are opposite in nature. This is the reason it does not advocate for education which is devoid of such human values. It always believes in education with sensitivity towards the problems and hardships of others. It promotes the notion of Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. If education is imparted with such an aim and objective, it will be able to understand others' suffering and find out lasting solution with mutual cooperation. This is indeed a proper way to peace. I congratulate Venerable Swamiji for choosing such a wonderful theme for the conference, which is always relevant and shows the proper path to humanity. Let humanity prevail and Bharat guide the world with this concept of right education. Thank you.